First, I bought a 20 gauge sheet metal and its size must be 24 by 12 inches and 14 by 4 inches for the handle. After acquiring the sheet metal, I made a pattern in it and able to reach the right layout or blueprint for the toolbox. I measured the center and made a 12 inches for the length and 6 inches for the main base. While on its extra side, I measured it into 3 inches and separated the 2.5 inches on the 0.5 inches because the 0.5 inches will be the one that will be folded. On the top and bottom of the layout, the measurement must be 6 inches and giving it on the upper part of the most bottom part with 0.5 inches for the fold, 3 inches for the slant line and opposite sides, and 2.5 inches below. For the handle, it must be 14 by 4 inches and same procedure for the body but shorter measurements. After the layout, I cutted the excess that will not be needed, and this called sheet metal cutting. Next procedure is sheet metal bending, where I bended it according to the layout I did using hammer, clamp, and angle bar and bench vise. Next is riveting, where I drilled the holes and able to put the rivets accordingly. Last step is finishing, where I removed the sharp edges and finish it with the spray paint, and the color of the spray paint is color black.